Fourth graders, today I'm going to teach you about rounding whole numbers. So my question is, how do I round whole numbers? Let's take a look right here. I'm going to move myself out of the way. Dylan wants to know the total number of students at Jefferson. The school website says 860. Mr. Franklin's newsletter says 900. Mr. Lauer told Dylan the answer is exactly 856. How did the newsletter get about 900? Let's take a look at that. Well, let's take a look at how that would happen. So, if we draw a number line to help us with our rounding, and we think about our number 856. Think about which multiples of 10 are closer to 856. So I know multiples of 10 are 800, 810, 830, 840, 850, 860. So I know that 850 is the lower multiple, and I know that 860 is the higher multiple. So now what I can do is write where 856 is. Actually, scratch that. Sorry, I went a step too far here. I'm going to write what's between them, 855. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to write where my number goes. So 856 is right here. So now I can see that 856 is actually closer to 860 because it's on the right of 855. Do that with the hundreds too, but I'm going to show you a different way that we could round. So let's say that you had a roller coaster that was at the Red River Valley Fair. It's 3,718 feet high. The nearest, and we want to know about how many thousand feet high it is. So the nearest thousands are either 3,000 or 4,000. So if I look at the digit right here, that's 7, when it is 5 or more, we know to round up to the nearest 1,000. If it's less than 5, we round it down. So because this is 5 or more, it would round to 4,000 square feet. So that is how we can do rounding to the nearest 1,000. I'm going to give you a problem to do on a form. Make sure you turn that in before you come to group. So when we look at rounding to the nearest 1,000 or 100, one thing we can do is we can draw a number line if that helps. Or we can look at the next digit and see where we would round it to.